Hi, you guys, it's Mrs. Leuse. You are starting your new packet, grammar packet for the month of October. So make sure you're on the right page. It's the first page and it says October is Adopt a Shelter Dog Month, and there's a cute picture of a dog. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Please keep in mind that your assignment is to watch this entire video and do the entire page. So please don't miss out on that. Otherwise, you'll have to make it up during a break time, and that is a bummer. I don't want to take that away from you. All right, so here we go. Let's get started. Let me make sure my Screencastify is going. It is. Okay, cool. All right, so here we go. Directions. Add capitals and punctuation where needed. Write capitals directly over the letters that are incorrect. So let's do capitals first, and then I will go through the same sentence and look at punctuation. If you guys need extra help, remember that you guys have in your language arts section of your binder, you have a whole anchor chart that teaches you what gets capitalized and how we use punctuation. So please use those as they are meant to help you when you're learning at home. So we always capitalize the beginning of a sentence. So my should be capitalized. My family plans to adopt a shelter dog from Houston this Saturday. Okay, let's do capitalization first. My is capitalized. Family is a noun, but it's not capitalized because it's not a proper noun. So my family plans to adopt a shelter dog. Shelter dog is a noun, but it's not capitalized because it's not the name of the dog. It's just a general noun. From Houston. Houston is a city. Houston needs to be capitalized, capital H. Saturday is the day of the week. That needs to be capitalized as well. And then I'd say we're good on our capitalization. Now let's go to punctuation. Your go-to is always look at the end of the sentence. How should it be punctuized? There is either going to be a period, an exclamation, or a question mark at the end. There may also be quotations needed if it's dialogue. There also may be commas. So let's figure it out. My family plans to adopt a shelter dog from Houston this Saturday. That is a statement. I'm going to go ahead and put a period at the end of that sentence. There is no dialogue, so I don't need quotations. Let's see if there needs to be a comma. Remember, commas separate sentences so that you do not have a run-on sentence. A run-on sentence is incorrect. So if we look at this sentence, my family plans to adopt a shelter dog from Houston this Saturday. So this is telling us when, and it is going to be separated by a comma, okay? I will do number 2 as well, and then you guys need to do 3 through 13 on your own, and then I'll go over how to do 14 to 18 in this video, so please keep watching. All right, on October 5th, we'll go to PetSmart to buy some puppy supplies. So let's go ahead and do capitalization first. We always capitalize the beginning of a sentence. October is the name of a month. That should always be capitalized. We'll go to PetSmart. PetSmart is the name of a store. That's a proper noun. That should be capitalized. PetSmart. To buy some puppy supplies. So for capitalization, that is all we needed. Let's look at punctuation. This will be a statement sentence. It's not a question. I don't have any dialogue, so I don't need quotation marks, but I do see some other interesting issues as far as apostrophes go. Do you notice this word right here? If I said this correctly without a punctuation add-on, it would say on October 5th, well go. Notice that sounds funny. It's supposed to say will go. So we need to go ahead and add the apostrophe to create the word will. That comes from the two words we will. It's a contraction. So on October 5th, we'll go to PetSmart to buy some puppy supplies. That's it. That's all you needed for punctuation. All right, you guys, please do your best. I want you to do 3 through 13. Now let's look at the bottom. It says look at the category on the left side. Nouns, verbs, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections. You guys, don't forget, you have that anchor chart in your grammar section. It tells you the definition of all of these. So if you're struggling with this, please go get it out so that way you can learn it and then be awesome at it. What you're going to do is you're going to find the word that does not fit the category and circle it. I will do the nouns. You can do verbs, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections on your own. Here we go. Nouns. So what I want to make sure is that each of these is a noun. If one of them is not, I need to circle it as we're finding the one that does not fit the category. Leash is a thing. That's a noun. Bone is a thing. That's a noun. Fetch, that is a verb. If I said the dog went to go fetch his ball, that's a verb, that's an action. Puppy is a noun, love is a noun. So there we go. Fetch was the one that didn't belong. All right, you guys, do 15 through 18, and that is all you're doing today. I will talk to you later.